Hi, this is Pradeep Udhas. I came to this class with Visheshji with no expectation per se. I just thought I was curious that how Nabhi, Nad, and Nad can change your body chemistry and I'm also a singer, so I wanted to see if it will have any impact on the way I perform. Just in a day and a half that I've been here, I'm seeing a big change. I'm seeing difference in the way my body's energy is moving. This morning I was doing my riyaz and I could see that it was just flowing much more smoothly. So I'm very thankful to Visheshji and for this course. I'm grateful that I took this. It has opened my very different dimension in my life.